Hello, welcome back to the Russian language learning channel, where Russian language is learned fast and easy. If this is your first time here, добро пожаловать. Welcome. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. I welcome you to Lesson 1 of the Basic Russian Language course. In this lesson, we take a look at the Russian alphabet. The Russian alphabet is very different from that of the English language. It is also known as the Cyrillic alphabet, in honor of Saint Cyril, the Greek monk and scholar who is said to have devised an early version of it. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters, representing 31 sounds and 2 signs that have no phonetic value of their own. The alphabet is the first hurdle in your journey to Russian fluency. However daunting the task may be, once you know the sounds of the 33 letters, you can read, speak, and write comprehensively. The lesson is divided into 2 parts. First, we will run through the letters of the Russian alphabet. Then, we proceed to put the letters into 4 groups to make learning fast and easy. Listen carefully to the sound of each letter of the Russian alphabet. A, B, V, G, D, Y, Yo, J, Z, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, F, S, Ch, Sh, Sh. Tvioди znak. Uj, miaki znak. E, U, Ja. To make these 33 letters easier to learn, we will put them into 4 groups. As we move along, try to sound these letters as best as you can. Group 1. There are 5 letters which are easy to learn. This is because they sound similar to that of the English alphabet. A sounds like A in far, only a bit shorter. K sounds like K in kite. O sounds like O in port. M sounds like M in May. T sounds like T in tan. Now that you know the letters of the first group, you can pronounce Russian words like kak, which means how. Tort, which means cake. Cat, which means cat. Tak, which means so. And tam, which means there. Group 2. Here we have 7 letters which look like English letters but have different sounds. V sounds like V in voice. Yeah sounds like yeah in yes. N sounds like N in novel. R sounds like R in rap. S sounds like S in sip. Oo sounds like oo in hoot. H sounds like H in habits. Now that you know these 7 letters, let's go ahead and learn some new Russian words. Vino, this means wine. Если, this means if. Nos, this means nose. Rak, this means cancer. Sok, this means juice. Sahar, this means sugar. Utra, this means morning. Now, let's move on to Group 3. Group 3. There are 13 letters which look unfamiliar, although some may sound familiar. B sounds like B in beds. G sounds like G in goats. D sounds like D in day. Y sounds like Y in yo. Z sounds like Z in zone. E sounds like E in feet. E sounds like E in boy. L sounds like L in land. P sounds like P in pets. F sounds like F in fun. E sounds like E in debt. U sounds like U in you. Ya sounds like Ya in yarn. Now that you know these letters, let's learn some new Russian words. Bank, which means bank. Guide, which means guide. Da, which means yes. Partner, which means partner. Zal, which means hall. Kino, which means cinema. Mai, which means the month of May. Lift, which means lift. Plan, which means plan. Buffet, which means buffet. Historia, which means history. Yurma, which means humor. Poet, which means poet. You have 13 more Russian words to add to your vocabulary. Now to our final group, Group 4. There are 8 letters which look familiar. However, some may sound unfamiliar. Z sounds like Z in pleasure. S sounds like S in its. Ch sounds like Ch in chat. Sh sounds like Sh in shoot. Sh sounds like Sh in fresh cheese. The hard sign. Periodi is na. The hard sign has no distinct sound of its own. It represents a slight pause and keeps the preceding consonant hard. Uy. There is no real equivalent in English for this letter. However, the nearest sound is U, found in ill. The soft sign, Nyakizna, has no distinct sound of its own. It usually softens the preceding consonant. Before we can fully understand the concept of hard and soft signs, we need to look at the ideas of hard and soft sounds. We will delve into this when we tackle Russian vowels in our next grammar lesson. Now that you know the sounds of letters in Group 4, you can pronounce Russian words like journal, which means magazine, centre, which means center, chai, which means tea, shop, which means shop, shi, which means cabbage soup, ciel, which means 8. Now notice the break the hard sign causes in ciel, ciel. Next, muy, which means we, mother. Now notice how the soft sign softens the consonant T in mat, mat. Congratulations! You now have an idea of what the Russian letters look and sound like. You will be surprised at how easily you read Russian once you have mastered the alphabet. Recognizing individual letters and reading whole words is much easier in Russian than in English, mainly because in Russian, what you see is what you sound, basically. However, there are some additional grammar rules to learn in order to perfect your pronunciation skill, like stressed or non-stressed vowels. We will look at these in detail in subsequent lessons. Now, let's test your pronunciation skill with this simple exercise. Pronounce the following Russian words. I will give you 10 seconds, 2 seconds for each word. Time's up. Well done. I'm sure you pronounced the words correctly. Let's go through them. Number 1, we have thumb. Number 2, utra. Number 3, kino. Number 4, journal. And number 5, chai. How about the meaning of these words? Chai means tea, yes. Kino means cinema, well done. Ultra means morning, spectacular. We have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching till the end and coming along with me through this journey. I hope you found the lesson easy to follow and understand. If you have any questions, suggestions, corrections, all those, leave them in the comment section. And please watch this video over and over again until you master the letters of the Russian alphabet. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done that. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos we post in the future. Until next time, your Vas Lublu, Uvidimsia, and remember, be safe.